Airplane? Bakit? Ano yun? Umatay? Umatay tapos...
Be advised that this is a no-smoking flight. Civil aviation regulations require strict observance of the lighted passenger information signs such as the no smoking and the fasten seatbelt signs. We would like to remind all our guests that the use of any portable electronic device is strictly prohibited as these may affect the communication system in the flight deck. Electronic devices such as laptop computers, iPods, or MP3 players may be used, but must be turned on only after takeoff when the seatbelt sign has been switched off. These electronic devices must be switched off prior to landing when the seatbelt sign is turned on. We shall be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seat, make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, windows shades up, and your... Shopping continues with Cebu Pacific in-flight duty-free service. We offer a wide range of world-class products for you to choose from, saving you from long lines at airports and to get...
Random ka. Ayoko! Ayoko! Bumagsak ka nga kanina dun eh. Naupo ka ulit eh. Paulit doon. Tapon mo to. Tapon. Kaya ko. Nakikita mo ulit. Walang picture yan. Habol kita.
Hinahulog mo. Hinuhulog mo.
Dance ka na lang.
May ganun, no?
Sing ka na lang, ano.
Ayaw.
I offer my life.
Ayaw.
Pangako. Glowing inside. Si CG Papa, oh, matalit.
Hello. Yan.